Okay, we're getting Dylan ready for bed and we're about to lay him down. And I sing a little song to him and it goes like this. Who loves you? Who loves you?
Daddy.
Does. Who loves you? Who loves you?
Daddy.
Does. Who loves you? Who loves you?
Daddy.
Okay, and not that I feel bad, but he never says mommy. But then we tried this. Dilly, say I.
I.
Say love.
Mama.
Mama, thank you. Dilly,
Dude, look at
mommy.
Look at mama.
Baba. Baba.
We'll get it in a minute.
Look at mama.
Say I.
I.
Love.
Mama.
Mama, thank you. Say
look at
I.
mama?
I. Say I. We'll get Rocket in a minute. Say I.
I.
Love.
Mama.
Yes, I love you, Dylan. Good night, sweetheart.